Anonymous says, how do I deal with the fact that I'm a pedophile? And should I tell my family and friends it? I can't answer the second part of that, should I tell my family and friends, because I don't know your family and friends, and I don't know how you would go about telling them. So I can't make any advice about that, or I can't offer you any advice about that. I would say that if you have the opportunity, you should probably go speak to a counselor or priest or someone that you trust, because you're going to have to figure out how to deal with that. But you should also maybe, and that's about the best I can do with that. I'm not an expert in the treatment of pedophilia, and so I can't offer you any great clinical wisdom, but I would say that you need a plan. You need a plan, and you have to, and I would include in that plan the absolutely catastrophic consequences of not regulating that behavior properly. And you should really think it through, because that pedophilic impulse, let's say, could lead you into 7 different sorts of hell, you and whoever you happen to tangle up in it. And you might want to avoid 7 different forms of hell. And in order to do that, given the proclivity that you describe, then you're going to have a plan. Now, look, lots of people have impulses that they have a hard time controlling. Alcoholics can't drink alcohol, and cocaine addicts can't take cocaine. And most people can't manifest untrammeled sexual behavior. And so it's certainly within the capacity of human beings to regulate impulses that aren't in their or others' best interests. So I wouldn't regard it as a hopeless pursuit, but it does seem to me that it's something that you might want to talk to someone you trust about, because it's a complicated issue, and it's a proclivity that's likely to lead you in a direction that would be, let's call it, suboptimal